Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing the Northern Cardinal. With its dashing crest and bright red colors, the male Northern Cardinal is one of the most recognized backyard birds in North America. Females also share subtle beauty. We'll highlight facts about these beloved songbirds. Males shine crimson red with black faces. Females wear earthy red accents. Both flash pointy beaks. Cardinals whistle territorial songs and chirp anxiously when defending nests. They vigorously defend mating territories, males attacking intruders. Monogamous pairs share parenting duties. Cardinals communicate with head crests, enrich songs using sounds we can't hear. Couples build small cup nests together, the female incubating eggs while the male feeds her. They raise 2 to 3 broods per spring and summer. Young cardinals start gray, slowly turning red. Abundant near woods, cardinals range from Canada to Mexico, readily nesting in backyards. Increasingly common even in mountain states as winters warm. Cardinals eat insects in spring and feast on berries later in year. They frequent backyard feeders, enjoying black oil sunflowers, corn, millet, and safflower. With over 100 million cardinals, this highly adaptable species remains prolific. However, habitat loss from development and climate change may endanger them over time. The bright red cardinal is the state bird of 7 states, representing holiday cheer and romance. Sports teams and schools adopt the cardinal mascot. Beloved songsters, Northern Cardinals grace backyards across much of the eastern and central United States. By welcoming cardinals, we mutually support each other and the joy they bring. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more birds care video.